ሰላም ጤና ይስጥልን ወደ የተከበራችሁ የቻናላችን ተከታታዮች እንግዲህ በዛሬው ቪዲዮአችን ደግሞ የኤንዛይም ኢንሂቢሽን ወይም ደግሞ ኢንሂቢተርስ የሚለውን የምንመለከት ይሆናል ማለት ነው። በባለፉት እንግዲህ ተከታታይ ቪዲዮዎች ስለ ኤንዛይም የተወሰነ አይተናል ማለት ነው። ዛሬ ስለ ኢንሂቢተርስ ወይም ደግሞ ኤንዛይም ብሎከርስ የምንመለከት ይሆናል። ለቻናሉ አዲስ ከሆናችሁ ቻናሉን ሰብስክራይብ እንዲሁም ደግሞ ቪዲዮን ላይክ እያደረጋችሁ እስከ ቪዲዮ ፍጻሜ ድረስ አብራችሁን ዝለቁ፣ አብራችሁን ሁኑ። So today we discussed about the enzyme inhibitors. Inhibitors are chemical substances or any substance that reduce or diminishes the enzyme catalyzed reactions or the rate of enzyme catalyzed reactions ወይም ደግሞ የኤንዛይምን አክቲቪቲ የኤንዛይም ካታላይቲክ አክቲቪቲ የሚቀንስ ኬሚካል ሰብስታንስ ኢንሂቢተር ብለን እንጠራቸዋለን። እነዚህ ኢንሂቢተር ሞለኪውልስ ወይም ደግሞ ኢንሂቢተር ሰብስታንስ የምንላቸው they can be categorized are organic ሊሆኑ ይችላሉ or inorganic substances ሊሆኑ ይችላሉ ማለት ነው። so inhibitors can be organic or inorganic. So those inhibitors can be coenzyme inhibitor or they may be prosthetic group inhibitors. That is why organic inhibitors are coenzyme inhibitor, inorganic inhibitors are prosthetic group or activator inhibitor እንላቸዋለን። Good. So those coenzyme inhibitors like cyanides, hydrazines and hydroxyamines that inhibits pyridoxal phosphate or vitamin B6, which is very important coenzyme for transaminase enzymes, and is Ducumerol is a competitive antagonist drugs. That's why for vitamin K, right? Those are coenzyme inhibitor molecules. Good. So inhibitors of a specific ion factors, that is why fluoride that sequesters magnesium away from enolase enzymes. That is why the ions can affect the prosthetic group or the activator metal ions from enolase magnesium from enolase enzymes. So prosthetic group inhibitor ምንላቸው ደግሞ they are very important inhibitors but also can diminish the activity of an enzyme. Cyanides that inhibit the heme prosthetic groups of cytochrome oxidase that inhibits cytochrome oxidase enzymes, and basically how by sequestering heme or iron in the prosthetic groups of cytochrome oxidase enzymes. So apoenzyme inhibitor, the other one is apoenzyme inhibitor, or that is why the protein part of a holoenzyme we call apoenzyme. This protein part will be affected by inhibitor. Those inhibitor we call them apoenzyme inhibitor ብለን እንጠራቸዋለን, which attack the protein part of what? Holoenzymes. So generally, types of inhibitor can be categorized as what? Reversible inhibitor, irreversible inhibitor, or generally they are also called as the allosteric inhibitor ብለን እንጠራቸዋለን. When you see the reversible inhibitor, reversible as the name indicate or as the name suggests, reversible inhibitor is an inhibitor which affects the enzyme, but once it is removed, the enzyme activity or the enzyme catalyzed activity will be what? Regain partially or totally. ይሄ ኢንሂቢተሩ ኢንዛይሙን አክቲቪቲው ዲሚኒሽ ወይም ደግሞ ዲክሪዝ ያደርጋል። ነገር ግን ኢንሂቢተሩን ካስወገድነው በኋላ ምን ያደርጋል? የኢንዛይሙ አክቲቪቲ በከፊል ወይም ደግሞ ሙሉ በሙሉ ይመለሳል፣ ሪጌን ያደርጋል ማለት ነው። ሶ ዲስ reversible inhibitor can be competitive or non-competitive or uncompetitive subdivisions አላቸው ማለት ነው። irreversible inhibitor ስንል an inhibitor or is a chemical substances that totally or partially lost the activity of an enzyme. ይሄ irreversible ማለት እንዳይመለስ አድርጎ የኤንዛይሙን አክቲቪቲ እስከ ወዲያኛው ድረስ ምን ማድረግ ነው? ማጥፋት በሙሉ ወይም ደግሞ በከፊል የኤንዛይሙን ካታላይዝ ሪአክሽን አክቲቪቲ ምን ያደርገዋል? ካታላይቲክ አክቲቪቲውን ይቀንሰዋል አሊያም ደግሞ ሙሉ በሙሉ ያጠፋል ማለት ነው። ሶ አሎስትሪክ ኢንሂቢተር ምንላቸውም አሉ። ሶ let's try to see reversible inhibitor ምንድናቸው ስንል those inhibitors are bound within the enzyme non-covalently and removed. Once they remove, the enzyme activity may be reversed partially or totally reversed ሊያደርግ ይችላል። So if the inhibitor removes the enzyme activity fully restored or partially restored ያደርጋል. It is characterized by equilibrium between the free enzyme, right, the normal free enzyme, and inhibitor bound enzymes. Reversible inhibitor can be subdivided into three major categories: competitive, the other one is non-competitive, and the third one is uncompetitive types of inhibition. Good. Let's try to see each types of reversible inhibitor separately. The first one is competitive inhibitor, which has a structural similarity. This inhibitor has structural similarity with the substrates that is suspected to be what converted into product by a given enzymes. ይሄ ኮምፒቴቲቭ ኢንሂቢተር የምንለው ከሰብስትሬቱ ጋር ምን አለው ተመሳሳይ የሆነ ስትራክቸር አለው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ከስሙ እንደምንረዳው ኮምፒቲቲቭ ማለት there is a competition that compete with the substrate to bind or to have what the enzyme active site active site of የኢንዛይሙን ለመያዝ ወይም ደግሞ እሱን ጋር ሄዶ ባይንድ ለማድረግ ምን ያደርጋሉ ኮምፔት ያደርጋሉ ይወዳደራሉ ወይም ደግሞ ይሽቀዳደማሉ ማለት ነው። ምኑና ምኑ ኢንዛይም እና ሰብስትሬቱ ማለት ነው። ኢንሂቢተሩና ሰብስትሬቱ ምን ለማድረግ ኢንዛይሙ ጋር ባይንድ ለማድረግ ኢንሂቢተሩ ባይንድ ካደረገ ሪዲዩስ ያደርገውን ኢንዛይም ካታላይዝ ሪአክሽኑ ሰብስትሬቱ ከሆነ ደግሞ ወደ ፕሮዳክት ይቀየራል። ሶ ኢንዛይም may be bound either the substrate or the inhibitor. Those who have the higher concentration or binding tendency ያለው ከፍተኛ ቴንደንሲ ያለው ምን ያደርጋል ባይንድ ያደርጋል but not both at the same time because enzymes have one active site. So enzyme substrate complex, if the substrate has higher concentration and binds with the active site of an enzyme, it will form enzyme substrate complex and then broke down or goes to the product formations. Whereas if the inhibitor has higher tendency to bind with the active site of an enzyme and it forms enzyme inhibitor complex which does not proceed to the productions of products. That is why enzyme inhibitor complex does not go down to the product formation. So this inhibitor can be dispensed or can be removed by increasing the substrate concentration. Substrate concentration ከጨመር የሰብስትሬቱ አቅም ወይም ደግሞ ባይንዲንግ ቴንደንሲ ስለሚጨምር ምን ያደርጋል ማለት ነው ኮምፒቲቲቭ ኢንሂቢተሩን ከኢንዛይሙ አክቲቭ ሳይት ምን ያደርገዋል ይገፋዋል ወይም ደግሞ አቅሙ ስለሚጨምር ምን ያደርጋል ከዛ ውስጥ እንግዲህ ቀድሞ እሱ ባይንድ ስለሚያደርግ ወደ ፕሮዳክት የመቀየር እድሉ ከፍተኛ ነው ማለት ነው። therefore we can treat this competitive inhibitors or remove by increasing the substrate concentration. So this inhibitor competitive inhibitor can unaltered or unchanged the Vmax while it can increase the Michaelis Menten constant. Good. So those drugs like malonic acids, methotrexate, sulfonamides are the best and common chemical groups that are competitive inhibitors in nature. So when we see malonic acid that competes with succinate and inhibits the actions of succinate dehydrogenase enzyme to produce fumarate in the TCA cycle or in the Krebs cycle, because this succinate is one of the intermediates of the TCA cycle that goes to the formations of fumarate, also another substrates or intermediate molecules in the TCA cycle. The other methotrexate is a drug, is a competitive inhibitor of dihydrofolate receptors and prevents what the formations of tetrahydrofolate. tetrahydrofolate formation prevent ያደርጋል ወይም ደግሞ inhibit ያደርጋል ማለት ነው። sulfonamides are competitive inhibitors of bacterial folic acid synthesizing enzyme system for what para amino benzoic acids. Good. So the second types of reversible inhibitor is non-competitive inhibitor, which the inhibitor cannot have or does not have any structural similarity with the substrate. So we call it non-competitive. So compete this inhibitor will bind with the other site other than the active site of an enzyme we call allosteric sites or other steering sites of the enzyme. So this inhibitor do not have structural similarity within the given substrates. So there is no competition in between the substrate and the non-competitive inhibitor. So this inhibitor or non-competitive inhibitor binds both the free enzyme and the enzyme substrate complexes. So increasing the substrate concentration does not alter or does not remove or does not reverse the activity of an enzyme or does not remove the inhibitors. So the inhibition leading to what doesn't change the Km value but reduce or can diminish the Vmax values. So in both once the enzyme right binds with inhibitor, it can form enzyme inhibitor complex, and then enzyme substrate complex also binds with the inhibitor, forms enzyme substrate inhibitor complex. In both cases, there is no product formations once the non-competitive inhibitor is bound. Good. The third types of reversible inhibitor is uncompetitive types of inhibition. That is as it seems like non-competitive, but it differs. So uncompetitive inhibitor is like that of non-competitive. It does not have a structural similarity within the substrate, and it inhibits or the activity of an enzyme by binding only within the enzyme substrate complexes at the location other than what አክቲቭ ሳይትስ ዛት ኢዝ ዋይ አሎስትሪክ ሳይቱ ላይ ነው። ነገር ግን ባይንድ የሚያደርገው ከምኑ ላይ ብቻ ነው? ኢንዛይም ሰብስትሬት ኮምፕሌክስ ከተፈጠረ ብቻ ነው። ሶ ሰብስትሬት ባይንዲንግ modifies enzyme structure and making inhibitor binding sites available። ስለዚህ ምንድነው አሁን ነን ኮምፒቲቲቭ ስንል ከፍሪ ኢንዛይሙ ራይት ከፍሪ ኢንዛይሙ ወይም ደግሞ ከነፃ ኢንዛይሙ ላይ ባይንድ ማድረግ ይችላል። አት ዘ ሴም ታይም ምኑ ላይ ኢንዛይም ሰብስትሬት ኮምፕሌክሱ ላይ ባይንድ ማድረግ ይችላል። ምኑ ኢንሂቢተሩ ማለት ነው። ነገር ግን እዚህ ጋር ስንመጣ ወይም ደግሞ አንኮምፒቲቲቭ ስንል ምንድነው ከኢንዛይም ሰብስትሬት ኮምፕሌክሱ ብቻ ነው ባይንድ ማለት ፍሪ ኢንዛይሙ ላይ ባይንድ የማድረግ ቴንደንሲ ወይም ደግሞ አቅም የለውም ማለት ነው። ሶ inhibition cannot be reversed by increasing substrate concentration, like that of what the non-competitive inhibitions. But here, uncompetitive inhibition can decrease or reduce both the Vmax or the maximal velocity as well as the Michaelis Menten constants. Good. This is the summary of those competitive, uncompetitive, and non-competitive inhibition. When we see the competitive inhibition, the substrate and the inhibitor competes for occupying the active site of an enzyme. Those, if the substrate has higher capacity or concentration, it binds with the enzyme and it forms enzyme substrate complex and leads to the formation of products. In the other case, if the inhibitor concentration is higher, it can bind with the enzyme and it forms enzyme inhibitor complex, but does not proceed to the formations of products. In the other case, non-competitive, there is no competition by which the substrate and the enzyme inhibitor cannot have the same structure, so they have different locations. The substrate is binding the active site while inhibitor is binding the allosteric sites. ሶ እዚህ ነን ኮምፒቲቲቭ ላይ ስንመጣ ምንድነው ኤንዛይም አለን። ኤንዛይሙ ላይ እንግዲህ ኢንሂቢተሩ ዳይሬክትሊ ባይንድ ሊያደርግ ይችላል ከፍሪ ኤንዛይሙ ወይም ደግሞ ኤንዛይሙ እና ሰብስትሬቱ ባይንድ ካደረጉ በኋላ ኤንዛይም ሰብስትሬት ኮምፕሌክስ ከተፈጠረ በኋላ ኢንሂቢተሩ ባይንድ ሊያደርግ ይችላል ማለት ነው። ኢን ቦዝ ኬዝ ምን የለም ፕሮዳክት ፎርሜሽን ግን የለም። ነገር ግን ኤንዛይም እና ሰብስትሬቱ ባይንድ አድርገው ኤንዛይም ሰብስትሬት ኮምፕሌክስ ዘን ኢት ጎስ ቱ ዘ ሲንቴሲስ ኦፍ ፕሮዳክትስ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር ኢንሂቢተሩ ወይም ደግሞ ነን ኮምፒቲቲቭ ኢንሂቢተር ከሰብስትሬቱ ጋር ስትራክቸራል ሲሚላሪቲ የለውም፣ ባይንዲንግ ሳይትም የለውም። ስለዚህ ኢንሂቢተሩ አሎስትሪክ ሳይት ላይ ነው፣ ሰብስትሬቱ ደግሞ አክቲቭ ሳይቱ ላይ ነው ማለት ነው። አንኮምፒቲቲቭ ላይ ስንመጣ when we see the uncompetitive types of inhibitors, the enzyme active site is occupied by the substrate or the substrate is coming to bind within the active site while the inhibitor will bind to the allosteric sites. But the inhibitor binds after the substrate is binding። እዚህ ጋር እንደምታዩት ኢንዛይም እና ሰብስትሬት መጀመሪያ ምን ማለት አለባቸው? ባይንድ መደረግ እና ኢንዛይም ሰብስትሬት ኮምፕሌክስ መፈጠር አለበት ማለት ነው። ሶ ፍሪ ኢንዛይሙ ላይ እዚህ ጋር እንደምታዩት ምን አያደርግም? ኢንሂቢተሩ ባይንድ ማድረግ አይችልም ማለት ነው። ሶ the inhibitor we call uncompetitive, it binds with the only in the enzyme substrate complex ማለት ነው። Good. The other and the second types of inhibition is irreversible inhibitors. Any types of inhibitors that can block or that can directly lose the activity or the catalytic activity of an enzymes. The type of inhibition that cannot be reversed or the enzyme cannot be reversed within their activity. So increasing the substrate concentration or removing the inhibitor cannot lead to the reversing the enzyme activity. Binding is very tightly removed. That is why removing the inhibitor can lose some structures of the enzyme. ኢንሂቢተሩን ለማላቀቅ ወይም ደግሞ ከስትራክቸርስ ኦፍ ኢንዛይም ለማስወጣት ብንፈልግ ምን ይሆናል ማለት ነው? የኢንዛይሙን ስትራክቸር ልናጣ እንችላለን። የተወሰነ ፓርት ዲስቶርትመንት ሊኖር ይችላል። ሶ ሳም ቶክሲክ ናቹራሊ ኦከሪንግ ኤንድ ማኑፋክቸርድ ኮምፓውንድስ አር irreversible inhibitors. Those inhibitors, irreversible inhibitor can bind and causes partial loss or complete loss of the catalytic activity of an enzymes. So inhibitor cannot be removed or reversed by simple dialysis. By simple dialysis, ወይም ደግሞ suprafiltration or in a simple way, it does not removed without distracting the structures of an enzyme. የኢንዛይም structure ዲስትራክት ሳያደርግ በቀላሉ የሚላቀቅ አይደለም ማለት ነው። such inhibitors only uses once again and they are also called as suicidal inhibitors ተብሎ ይጠራሉ ማለት ነው። good. So these are examples of what irreversible inhibitor like penicillin binds or inhibits the transpeptides needed in the development of bacterial membrane. It prevents what normal growth of bacteria irreversibly. Aspirin is also these inhibits cyclooxygenase required for the synthesis of eicosanoid molecules. The other ones cyanides inhibit enzyme resulting in all ATP productions as well. Allopurinol, it is very important drugs that inhibit xanthine oxidase required for what the degradations of purine nitrogenase bases. The other one, allosteric inhibition. This allosteric inhibition is also very important as well as it is difficult. So some enzymes possess additional sites other than the active site we call allosteric site ብለን እንጠራዋለን። የኢንዛይሙ ከአክቲቭ ሳይቱ በሌላ በኩል የምናገኘው የኢንዛይሙ ፓርት ምን ተብሎ ይጠራል? allosteric site ይባላል ማለት ነው። So they are unique site on the protein molecules on the enzymes and allosteric effector as well as allosteric regulator ምን በባለፈው ማየተናቸዋል። allosteric effector substances bind at allosteric site and regulatory enzyme activity. So positive allosteric effector አለ፣ negative allosteric effector አለ። positive ምንላቸው they can increase the activity of an enzyme by binding within the allosteric site. allosteric site ላይ bind አድርገው ግን የኢንዛይሙ catalytical site የሚጨምሩ ማለት ነው። the other one negative effector molecules or negative allosteric effector የምንላቸው ደግሞ ምንድን ናቸው? they can bind to the allosteric site of an enzyme but they can diminish or decrease the activity of an enzyme. Allosteric enzymes are sigmoidal curves. They can sigmoidally activate as well as regulate or reduce the activity of an enzyme. So what is the importance of inhibition? እንግዲህ ኢንሂቢተር እንግዲህ የኤንዛይም አክቲቪቲውን ብሎክ እንደማድረጉም ኢምፖርታንስ አለ ወይም ደግሞ ጥቅም አላቸው ማለት ነው። those inhibition or for understanding regulations of enzyme activity within the living cells. ኢንሂቢተር መጀመሪያ ላይ ምን ብለናል ማለት ነው? ድረግ ሊሆን ይችላል፣ መድኃኒቶች ሊሆን ይችላሉ ማለት ነው። so they can regulate the activity of an enzyme. They are useful in elucidating the cellular metabolic pathways or can be what the balancing the metabolic pathways by causing accumulations of intermediates if there is what excess amounts of products. So identifications of catalytic or functional group as the active site of an enzyme is identified by that of enzyme inhibition. Provide information about substrate specificity of the enzyme, right? Useful to study about the mechanisms of enzyme catalyzed reaction or catalytic activity of an enzymes. Enzyme inhibitors have what therapeutic applications. Some drugs useful in medicine appears to have the functions to inhibiting what some certain enzymes. So most drugs are competitive types of inhibition that will be removed or by increasing substrate concentration. Or some are also called as suicidal inhibitors or irreversible inhibitor ናቸው ማለት ነው። They can lose the activity of an enzymes what partially or totally. This is all about the enzyme inhibition and classifications and their importance as well as their characterizations. So የዛሬው ትምህርታችን ይህን ይመስላል ማለት ነው። ስለነበረን ቆይታ ከልብ እናመሰግናለን። Thank you for your attention. So we'll try to meet in the next presentation. ዛሬ እዚህ በቃናል። ስለነበረን ቆይታ ከልብ እያመሰገን ቪዲዮውን ላይክ እና እንዲሁም ደግሞ ቻናሉን ሰብስክራይብ ማድረጋችሁን አትርሱ። በያላችሁበት ሰናይ ጊዜ። ባይ ባይ everybody.